Welcome to program technical and programming AK. So in today's video I will show you some amazing websites which you might have never seen. So the first website is to make black and white photo into colored photo. So just go for demos.algorithmia.colorize photos and click on the first link. So now I have an black and white photo. I will show you. See, this is a black and white photo. Okay, this is a black and white photo. Now we will make it a color photo. So just click on upload, select that image and click on open. And here we go. Here it is a colored image and black and white, and this is a total colored image. Now we will download the comparison, download the colored image, both. So here it is a color image, you can see it. We had a black and white image earlier. This is the earlier image and this is the new image. So now, and this is a comparison. It's opening. So this is the colored image we have got. Just download it. So here it is. We can see this is the black and white and colored. Just right now we have downloaded it. Okay, so that was it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Technical and Programming AK, and stay tuned. Press the bell icon for the upcoming new videos, and goodbye.